I think he might identify as a bunny. And he does want to be down on the floor running around whenever they're in there. Sometimes he'll try to groom them. I never in a million years thought that they would get along.
Come on, Petey.
Petey was a baby when I got him.
Come on.
I fell in love with him right away. We instantly bonded.
My little wet rat.
He just let me hold him and snuggle with him.
Hello, Petey Pablo.
But he also has a very sassy side to him. At one point, he didn't want to leave my shoulder. So I got him this little backpack, and slowly but surely we started making some outings in it. But I wanted him some company when I'm not around. I had Lou and Izzy, my bunnies, already. I were going to worry it would be that he was trying to play with them and would bite them a little too hard. But he has been very friendly. He does sit there and he does eat their lettuce. They just kind of run around and hang out. It's really kind of awesome. He wanted them to feed him.
That's nice, those friends.
Petey absolutely favors Lou. And the funny part about that is Lou, he is my grumpy bunny. He likes his space. But I do think that Lou likes him.
Cute apple.
It does melt my heart.
Is that your best friend?
And I didn't know this going in, but obviously birds and bunnies can get along. Petey didn't want to just be friends, he wanted to be part of their world. I think it's helped him to be braver and to explore. He's just part of the family.
If you are rescuing or thinking of adopting an exotic animal, please make sure to contact professionals and do your research so that they can have the best life possible.